Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Kick. So finally we have with us the Redmi Smart Band, which is available at Rs 1599. And today in this video, we will do the unboxing and will tell you if it's worth buying. So here is the box. In the front of the box we have the model name, and here are some features such as USB direct charging, heart rate monitoring, and it's waterproof up to 50 meters. And then here we have the picture of the band itself. Xiaomi claims that they are the India's #1 wearable brand. At the back of the box we have the MRP, which is Rs 2099, but it's available at Rs 1599. Now let's open the box and show you the content. So first we have the user guide, and it has a detailed info about the options of this smart band. And then here we have the smart band itself. My first impression about this smart band is that the quality feels premium and it's also well built. It's lightweight and weighs just 13 grams. You have the push button style strap in this band, and guys, you can remove the strap like this to charge the band. But to be honest, I'm not really that comfortable pulling the strap like this to charge this smart band. Talking about the screen, in this smart band we get the 1.08 inches LCD color display, which is a full touchscreen. The resolution of this LCD display is 128 by 220 pixels. At the bottom of the display, there is also a capacitive button by which you can control the smart band. And guys, the main module of this smart band looks bigger as compared to the Mi bands. At the back of the smart band we have the heart rate sensor, which supports the continuous heart rate monitoring. Overall, I'm really happy with the build quality and the design of this smart band. And keeping in mind the price, there are no complaints here. Now, let's pair the smart band with our phone. In order to turn on the smart band, you will need to connect the module to a power source. And here you can see it's on. Now let's pair it with our phone. The app name is Xiaomi Wear, which is available for both Android and iOS. But looking at the ratings, it seems like a lot of users face issue with this app. Let's see how it works for us. The pairing process is really easy, and in just few seconds our band was ready to use. Now let's see the options we have on this smart band. So first we have the watch face, and guys, this smart band also supports different watch faces, and you have 50 plus watch faces available in the app, but you can store up to 3 watch faces in the band. Now about the features, the controls are gesture based, and swiping up or down will give you access to the menu. So first we have the status, and here you can see your today's fitness data. To go back, you can either swipe right from the left side or touch the capacitive button. And after that we have the heart rate monitoring. And this band recognizes the heart rate pretty fast, and we have also tested the accuracy, and the data is pretty accurate. After the heart rate we have the workout menu, and here we have the outdoor running, treadmill, cycling, walking and freestyle. This smart band doesn't have a GPS, so it takes the GPS data from your phone, and you get this notification when you're using the GPS. Now coming back to the menu, then we have the weather, which has the current weather details including the air quality, and swiping up will give you access to the weather forecast. After that we have the notifications, and here you can see the notifications you have received on this smart band. And then we have the more menu, and here you have the options such as DND, alarm, themes, which are the installed watch faces. This smart band also supports music control, and you can also access the music control feature from the watch face by swiping left or right on the watch face. And here you can change the soundtracks as well as increase or decrease volume. After that we have the stopwatch, timer and find phone option, which plays a sound on your phone. And then finally we have the settings, and here you can adjust the brightness. And talking more about the brightness, I find the display and the brightness pretty good. And the performance of this display is by far the best in this price range. It's not an AMOLED performance, but keeping in mind that it's an LCD display, the performance is very good. So that's all the options we have on this smart band. Now let's look at the app. The Xiaomi Wear app is really easy to understand, but personally I prefer the Mi Fit app. Don't know why they have opted for a separate app for this smart band. The interface of the app is good, and on the homepage you can see the device status, available watch faces, and from here you can browse through the available online watch faces. And then we have some settings such as alarm, notifications, where you can choose the apps for which you want the notification on the smart band. Talking more about the notifications, here is how you get the call notification. You can silent the call or reject the call from the band itself. And here is how you get the message notification. And guys, you don't have the preset reply option in this smartband. And then we have the additional settings where you can turn on features like race to wake, which in my opinion works pretty good on this smartband. You can also turn on the continuous heart rate monitoring from this menu. Now moving to the next page, then you have your fitness data, and here you can see your today's step count, calories burned, heart rate and sleep data. Upon tapping on any of these options, you can see your historical data. And then finally, we have the profile page where you can enter your personal details as well as goal targets. So overall, Redmi Smartband is a budget fitness tracker which comes with a good design, build quality as well as features. I've been using it for a couple of days and here are my thoughts about this smartband. First of all, this smartband is really comfortable to wear and the quality of the strap is really good. The LCD display is one of the best I have seen in this price range, but the touch response is not that good and sometimes you have to swipe again and again to change the menu. Apart from that, the fitness data is pretty accurate and the heart rate data is also accurate. We have also tested the data accuracy side by side with other fitness trackers such as Fitbit Versa and Apple Watch. There are no issues with the connectivity and we never had any issue with the notifications or the call alert. The battery is also good and the 130 mAh battery can give you approximately 1 week backup and the charging time is 2 hours. So to sum it up, if you're looking for a budget smartband with color LCD display and if it's going to be your first fitness tracker, then we highly recommend you to check out the Redmi Smartband. And as usual, if you like it and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and review of the Redmi Smartband. Let us know if you like this budget smartband from Xiaomi, and also do tell us your favorite feature of this smartband in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off and I'll see you in the next one.